chicken wings. Kind of one of those things that you order in bars, restaurants, but not something that everybody generally makes at home because A, you think it's messy, B, you think it's just not going to turn out or have flavor. Well, here's your option to have all of that at home. I think the chicken wings are about ready. It's been an hour, so let's bring them out, have a look, get them plated. Oh yeah, those are just how we want them. So we're gonna take those out, lay them in our little dish. Here we have our rum-infused chicken wings. For this recipe and more, go to our website, gourmetwarehouse.ca.